Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of the easiest keto low carb crepes, and they are so yummy. You can use them for both savory wraps as well as with your whipped cream and strawberries and sugar-free syrup on it. So we're standing in my kitchen, so let's get cooking. So let's begin with the recipe. In goes 3 eggs into a mixing bowl. Next we have 1/4 of a cup of any milk of your choice, almond milk, soya milk. Next we have 1/4 of a cup of cream, heavy whipping cream will do. And lastly 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour. Give this all a good mix in your mixing bowl. Use a spatula or a whisk, whichever is more convenient for you, and give it a nice mix to see that the eggs all break up. Next we have a pan ready over the stove. I'm spraying it with Pam. You can use butter, ghee, olive oil, avocado oil, whatever you like. Next, take your 1/4 measure and fill that up with your mixture and pour it in, and immediately start rolling it around. If you leave it on the pan, it will begin to cook right there, and that's what we don't want. So now I'm just spraying an extra little bit of Pam on the sides and allow it to cook. You'll know it's cooked on one side when you see bubbles appearing and the sides becoming just slightly golden brown. Now I'm going to be flipping it over, which is the most difficult part of this whole recipe. And after you flip it over, you have to cook it on the other side for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. That's about it. That's what you need. And it's well cooked now on one side, so you won't have to worry about the other side. 45 seconds and you'll be done. Okay, let me show you this lovely, amazing crepe, one of the easiest crepes that you'll ever make. You can use this both for sweet and savory. Today I'm going to make it with whipped cream and strawberries. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And it's smelling absolutely divine. Okay, now let's plate this. I'm going to take some strawberries, not too many. I'm just using 2 strawberries per crepe, and I'm going to put them on one side of the crepe. Oh, that's my little Snickers. There was some milk that had fallen. Okay, so I've chopped up the strawberries on 1/2, and now I'm going to use some lovely whipping cream. I have this bottle of whipped cream and it's really convenient. So that's it, and then you fold it over, and if you want, you fold it over even once more. So let me show you that up. Oh my God, does that look like a crepe or what? It's absolutely amazing. You can even drizzle some sugar-free syrup on it. Thank you for watching and do subscribe. Bye then.